Hi there. Have you ever just sort of lost clarity, not got, maybe just got a little bit stuck? Well, today I'm going to give you something that'll hopefully get you unstuck. It'll help you get some clarity about where you're going. And I call it the alignment snapshot. Now, I've got a template that we've built up, and if you'd like a copy of the template, all you got to say is template. Just put it in the comments. We'll get you the alignment snapshot. It'll help you get unstuck. It'll help you get online. The reason we call it alignment is because we want to get you aligned as a business owner with your personal goals. We want to make sure that the business serves your personal goals. And so I'm going to go over how it works. I'm going to give it to you. I realized this myself the other day. I wasn't clear on what it was that I wanted to achieve, where I wanted to take the business next. Now, you do the alignment snapshot, and it will help you get back on track, get you aligned so that you can make decisions in your business that are going to help you build the business that you always dreamed that you'd have. So let's get to it. The first column are your personal goals. So this is your personal goals. Now you can just do this on a sheet of paper if you want. Okay, so this is in a simple nutshell. What do you want? Just like, what are your personal goals? This could be for a quarter or for a year, but what are your personal goals? What are you hoping to achieve? Then the second column are your business goals. So what is it that you want to have here? That's your business goals, okay, that are going to serve your personal goals. You can't really know your business goals until you've got your personal goals worked out. Then what are the business projects? So these are your business projects. And then the fourth column is for personal development. All right. So you got your personal goals in column one, you got your business goals in column two, you got your business projects in column three, and you got your personal development in column four. So let's say your personal goals, maybe you want to take 3 vacations a year. Okay, that could be a personal goal, whatever they are. Then you write your business goals that are coming up, and then your projects will reflect the business goals. So maybe one of your projects is that you've got to hire a GM or whatever. And then personal development. Now, I have a saying, the reason personal development is important because the business can only become as good as the owner. So as you're out there running crews, you're out there running your business, the business can only you're the lid. The business can only go as far as you are. So you've got to have it. So I hope this was useful. If you'd like a copy, if you just like a template to do it, you can do it on a sheet of paper. If you'd like a copy of our template, just hit us up, say template in the comments. We'll be glad to get you the alignment snapshot. Hey, I hope you have a fantastic week. And until next time, all the best.